How to make animated movies with same consistent characters in AI. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can make animated videos using AI in the easiest and most simplest way. So the software that you're going to be using is D-ID. Now, D-ID is the best AI software out there. It creates AIs, and once it creates AIs, it uses the natural user interface. Now, AI will basically go ahead and, you know, talk in the videos. It will go ahead and do actions in the videos and a whole lot more. So it actually goes ahead and does all these things, which is pretty incredible. So you're going to sign up with their account. Obviously, the studio pricings are quite different. It's a trial for 14 days. Then you have the light plan, which is 4.7, pro plan, which is $16, and advanced, which is $108. So you're going to sign up with the plan of your choice. And from there on out, you're going to be able to see that in the Creative Reality Studio, you can actually use all the AI agents they have like this to create proper AI animated movies like these for yourselves. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.